Another unique feature with Hava is its ability to place diagrams outside of the application with an interactive viewer. So this means you can put your diagrams into a wiki, into support tickets, into a website, intranet, what have you. Anywhere that accepts iframes, you can place an interactive Hava diagram. So if we look at we'll pull up an environment. So we've got our diagram we want to place outside. So come along to share and then grab the embed code and then copy that. So in this example, we'll hop out to Notion. Paste in the iframe. So now we have a fully interactive Hava diagram sitting within our Notion doc. So what happens when that diagram updates within Hava? This diagram will also update. So it's an embed once and then it's up to date for the life of the diagram. This also works with, if we have a look at this blog post, for instance, so it's a fair while ago, 2020, so nearly 3 years ago, when we created this. And as you can see, the diagram is still live and interactive. So there we go. So you've got three options when you embed. So you've got a full embed, which takes all of the diagram, the attribute pane with the metadata in it. You've got an embed light, which takes the diagram, again it's fully interactive, but without any of the sensitive metadata visible. So that's probably more appropriate for public facing properties. And then also you've got embed PNG. So PNG is a static snapshot of the diagram only, and it allows you to place that PNG in a web property. And then the beauty of the endpoint is that as the environment changes and the diagram updates, so does the PNG. So again, it's an embed once and stay up to date for the life of the diagram.